Around the world, leading nutritionists, doctors, and health scientists agree what you eat shapes not only your body but your mind and future. Today, we are bringing you the ultimate guide to health and diet based on decades of research and wisdom from the world's best specialists. Whether you want to lose weight, boost energy, or just live longer, this is your roadmap. Hello everyone, I am Tatiana and welcome to Infinite Gist. Today, let's talk about the ultimate guide to health and diet, secrets from the world's top specialists, and we'll divide it into 4 parts. So let's talk about some why diet matters and consider some key points. The body is like a high performance engine because food is the fuel. The 80-20 rule: 80% diet and 20% exercise for weight management. That affects heart health, immunity, brain function, mood, and longevity. I want to give you some examples of bad and good diets. So, let's get started by considering some examples of bad diets. Fast food culture, processed sugars, soda. And what about good diets? Mediterranean, whole plant-based, and traditional Japanese. So, popular types of diets. What do you know about them? We break them down scientifically, including pros and cons and best use cases. So, number 1 is Mediterranean diet. Lots of vegetables, fruits, olive oil, and fish, and you'll get some benefits: heart health, anti-aging, and anti-inflammatory. Plant-based, no animal products, but whole plant foods. Low risk of chronic disease and eco-friendly. But be careful because you need to monitor B12 and omega-3 intake. And low-carb diet, high fat, low carb for fat burning. What benefits do you get? Rapid weight loss, blood sugar control. And I want to pay your close attention to some risks: hard to sustain and nutrition gaps possible. Intermittent fasting, eaten within specific time windows. Weight loss, cellular repair, and longevity. But this very diet not for pregnant women or those with certain health conditions. And traditional Asian diets: rice, vegetables, seafood, and tea. And some benefits, you'll get some benefits as well: longevity and low obesity rates. And what about some expert advice for building your own health diet? Eat the rainbow. Variety of colorful vegetables daily. Balanced macronutrients, proteins, carbs, healthy fats. Try to avoid hidden sugars. Check food labels for syrups and sweeteners. Stay hydrated. You'd better drink 2 or 3 liters of water daily. Mindful eating means slow down and enjoy your food. Enjoy your meal, enjoy your food, enjoy your time. A portion control: smaller plates, no second servings unless still hungry. And cultural flexibility: adapt the healthy principles to local cuisine. So next time we'll consider such questions as why stress eating happens, the role of dopamine in junk food cravings. By the way, we've already talked about it. Yeah, do you remember one of our previous videos? We've already talked about cravings, food cravings. How social media affects diet choices, and some expert strategies: meal prepping, healthy snack swaps, and eating with family. Your health is the investment that pays for every other dream you have. Start today. Choose one small change, stick with it, and build from there. Remember, this very video is not about a short-term diet. It's about a lifelong habit. Eat smart, stay strong, and live your best life. And I wish you to have the time of your life. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time.